Hi folks, just a quick one today. The long-tailed tit, is it the cutest garden bird we have here in the UK? I think it is. Take a look at these pics and clips, all taken by me, and let me know whether you agree. So there you go, the long-tailed tit, what I consider to be the cutest garden bird we get here in the UK. Now, I suspect a certain high-profile naturalist who regularly appears on the TV would take issue with my use of the word cute to describe a wild animal, but I stick by it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I've been Graham Wallace. This has been Naturally Curious UK. You stay safe, stay sane, stay curious, and keep enjoying the wonders of nature God has blessed us with. Cheerio.